Welcome to Livy Swimming Adventures.
Hi everybody! So I'm back from school and I thought me and Livy could do a couple games for you guys. So today we're playing Fish Feud. It is about feeding this little circle, I guess. So we're gonna read you all the directions like we normally do and we're gonna hop right into it. Okay, this game is ages 4 and up and it's only 2 players at a time. And the objective of this game is to launch squishy fish through the mouth of the big fish to the player on the other side. You both race to clear your side of all fish to win. Don't take turns. You both launch squishy fish at the same time. So that means at the same time we're gonna throw them, okay? Okay. Any fish that arrives on your side must be sent back before you can win. So keep launching the fish as fast as you can. Okay, Livy, we have to tell them how to play.
Okay.
Alright. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, we're gonna high five. Yep, and that starts the game, okay?
Okay.
Alright, not right now though. Okay, we're gonna high five, we're gonna start the game. We're gonna keep shooting these through the holes. There we go, okay. We're gonna shoot them through the holes until all of them are on one side. The person who has none on their side wins, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you wanna show them how it starts?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. wait. Okay, so Livy would have won. Now we're gonna play for real, okay? So let's set the game back up. Livy chose to be pink.
And you chose to be orange.
Alright, orange. Okay, are you ready? You show everyone your catapult?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
And remember the rules. We have to high five. Nope. Remember? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Go. Actually, go. Wait. Wait, stop making it run out. Okay, wait. No. Okay. Where'd it go? No. Tie? Got it. No, wait. Okay, everybody. This is a really fun game by Buffalo Games and Puzzles. We're going to play a couple more rounds, but for now, we're going to say goodbye. Bye, everybody.
That's it.
Hey, thanks for watching. Click on Livy to subscribe to our channel. Already subscribed? Click over here to see more of our videos.